Okay, our English class is begin. So, good evening, everyone. Today is our English lesson, and we will talk about track, chain, and fonts to make money. This is my name is Jessie Ding. So today I will teach you some special function and some good method for making profit in stocks. Okay. So firstly, let's see this one. This is the classic formula for making profit in stocks. The first one, bull market, correct password, a correct method, you can make big money, right? If you buy stocks in the uptrend, you have 80% for making profit. Then if you have the correct method, you know when to buy, when to sell, and you can make big money. But if the market is uptrend, but your method is not a good method, you only can make small profit because the market is up. So if you buy any stocks, 80% you can make profit. So the third one, bear market plus correct password, you lose small money. And the bear market plus wrong method, you will lose big money. So from this formula, we can know that we cannot buy stocks in the bear market. We should buy and keep stocks in the bull market. So this is the classic formula for making profit in stocks. If you want to buy some stocks, you can follow this classic formula. Then if you see the market is down, the market is bear market, you will not buy it. Okay. So let's see this one. Let's see this picture. Sort decides behavior, and the behavior determines fate. So if you want to make profit, you should have the good sort, good idea, then can decide your behavior. Then your behavior determines your fate. So if you know when to buy, when to sell, how to buy low, sell high, you can make profit, right? So this one. Then we can see next the picture. What is the significance of reading? The first one, if you never read, never learn some practical methods, then you cannot see the beautiful view, right? Then if you read the more book, then you can see the sunshine, right? So in the stock market, we should learn some practical methods. It is necessary, okay? So let's see this one. This is the 3 important points. The first one, predict in advance. You should know where is the support and where is the resistance. Then you can know whether we should buy or not. So the first important thing is predict in advance. The second one, you should find the early warning. Okay. The last one, sell once trend is down. So if you see the stock is uptrend to downtrend, you'd better sell first. Okay. So this one you should remember the 3 points. Predict in advance, find the early warning, and sell once trend is down. Okay. So let's see this one. Common methods for prediction of time and space. The first one, we can use Fibonacci time zone and the homely helix line special numbers to judge the support and resistance for the market and individual stocks. The second one, golden section with theory and chips distribution. First one, let's see the Fibonacci time zone. How to use this function to judge where is the support and where is the resistance and where is the turning point of the market. Okay, so this is the software, right? Then we can see the chart. If we want to know where is the turning point for STI index, how to analyze? So we should find the important low point or high point first. Then we can click and T, then favor time zone. Then we just click this one. Then you can see the chart. If you see the line, when the market touch the line, you should know this is the turning point, okay? So here is the turning point. Then you can see the price drop, right? The market go down. Then here is another turning point. The price start to go up, okay? So this is the turning point, okay? Then we can see, we can use this function to judge the turning point of the market, okay? Then the next one is for the harmony head line and the special numbers. Then golden section with zero and trips distribution. So what is the special numbers? Today, maybe some members learned this method before. Maybe someone's never learned. Okay, so I teach you this function, this method to judge the market for special numbers. Okay, so firstly, we should find the low point or high point first. So where is the low point and where is the high point? Can we consider that this candlestick as the low point? Yes, because use your fingers. If you see the low price is lower than previous two and the next two candlestick, so this is the low price, right? Okay, so if you confirm that this is the low price, okay, this is the low price, this one, then we can consider this is the candlestick 1. So if another day, the low price is lower, if you see another day, the high price, you see the high price is, the low price is higher than this one, and this one low price is higher than this one. We can see here is the candlestick 2, and here is the candlestick 3, right? Here is the candlestick 2, here is the candlestick 3. Then we see this is the candlestick 3, then we can draw the line. If the market can upward break out this line, which means the market will go up, okay, we'll have opportunity. So we can see, can you confirm that the trend will change to the uptrend? No, because here we can see the candlestick, the price upward breaks through the candlestick, this line. What's that meaning? The market will go up. Okay, so you can see the market continue to go up. So 1, 2, 3, yes. How to confirm the market will go down? You can use this method. What's the method? So we can see here. This is the high point, right? Because the high price is higher than this two and the next two. So this is the high point, right? So we confirm that this is the high point. Then we can see here is the candlestick 1. Then if you see previous candlestick, the low price of the previous candlestick is lower than this one. We can see this is the candlestick 2. Then here, high price is lower than this candlestick. This is the candlestick 3, right? Okay, if we know this is the candlestick 3, then we can draw the line. Here, we can draw the okay, I don't know what's wrong. Okay, then we see this one. This is the candlestick 3, right? If you see the market fall below this one, you should know the price will go down. But we can see here, the market touch, this is the resistance, this is the support, right? Then start to rebound again, right? So have you learned this method? Okay, I repeat it again, okay? So what's the method? You can use special numbers to judge the market, whether the market will go down or go up, okay? So what is the method? Firstly, we should find the low point or high point of the market. So how to find the low point and high point? You can confirm that. You should see the 5 candlesticks. If the middle candlestick lower than the previous two, low price is lower than previous two, and lower than the next two candlestick. So you can confirm this is the low point, right? So let's see this one. This is the low point. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 candlestick, right? Okay, the middle candlestick, okay, the low price is lower than this previous two and lower than this next two. So we can confirm this is the low point, right? Okay, so if we know this is the low point, then we can count the previous candlestick. This is the one. If you see the low price is lower, this low price is lower than this one, we can consider this is the 2 or higher than this one. We can consider this the candlestick 2. Then this low price is higher than this one. Then this low price is higher than this one. We can consider this is the candlestick 3, right? So
candlestick 1 is the lowest one.
Is the lowest one. So this is the 1, 2, 3. Okay, count back. Then this is the 1, 2, 3. Then we know that this is the candlestick 3. Then we can draw the line according to the candlestick 3. Okay, so we see here. This is the candlestick 3. Then we can draw the line. Then you want to know whether the market will go down or go up. You can see the future price, whether can upward break out the line or not. Okay, then we can see next day. The price already upward break out this line. So what's that meaning? The price will go up. Okay, so we can see the price continue to go up, right? So how to find the high point, or you want to know whether the price will go down or not? You can find the high point. Okay, so this is the high point, right? Because this high price is higher than these two and then these two candlestick. So we can confirm this is the high price, high point. Then we can see this candlestick is 1. Okay, then you can count down. So we can see the next candlestick. The high price is lower than this one. What's that meaning? This is the candlestick 2. Then this low high price is lower than this one. This is the candlestick 3. Okay, so we know candlestick 3 is here, right? Then we can draw the line. We can draw the line, okay? Then you should check whether the price will continue to go up or go down, okay? So we can see the price still up, right? So what's that meaning? You still can keep the stocks, right? Okay, so we can see this line also can be regarded as the support and resistance. Okay, so we can see next day. Can we confirm this is the high point? This is the high point or not? Yes, the high price is higher than the previous two candlestick and the next two candlestick. So we can confirm this is the high point. Then we can this is the candlestick 1. This is the candlestick 2. This is the candlestick 3, right? Because the high price is lower. High price is lower when you count down. Okay, so we can know that this is the candlestick 3. Then we can draw the line. So you should know if the market, the price fall below this line, what's that meaning? Which means the price will go down, the market will go down. But if the price is still above the line, which means the market you still can think this is the uptrend. So we can see next day fall to the line, right? But fall below or not? Fell below or not?
No.
No. Then we can wait and see. Then the price still at this area and never fell below. Okay. So what's that meaning? Still good, right? So we can see if you see this, follow this line, you can know this is the support, right? Okay. So we can see today the price, the market just cover the gap, okay? So this method also can use for candles for individual stocks. So let's see this stock. This stock is so strong, right? Okay, so how to know that whether the share is good or not? So firstly, we should find the low point or high point. So we can see which one is the high point. This one is high point or not? Yes, because the high price is higher than the previous two candlestick and the next two candlestick. So we can see this is the candlestick 1. Then we can count down, okay? The high price is lower than this one. So this is the 2, this is the 3, okay? Then we can confirm this is the candlestick 3. We can draw the line. Okay, then we wait and see. Then you can see the price is still above here. What's that meaning? This is the support, right? So the price continue to go up, okay?
You should draw the top price, right?
Yeah.
No, your square. Your square.
Then we can see, draw the box. Then we can see here, which point is the low point? Can we consider that this point is the low point?
Yes.
Yes, because the low price is lower than previous two and the next two candlestick. So this is the candlestick 1. Then cut down. This is the candlestick 2 because the low price is lower than this one. And this low price is lower than this one, the candlestick 3. So where is the good buy point? If you see the price upward break out this candlestick 3, which means you can consider buy, okay? So we wait and see, okay? So we can see yesterday, the price upward break out or not? Yes, upward break out the resistance line. What's that meaning? The price will go up again. So maybe today, if you buy at open price, you can earn great profit, right? You can earn short-term profit. Okay, so have you learned this method? Can you understand? Okay.
Go back to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or the 6.
Which one? 6. This one?
2, 4, 6. That's the high point, right? The 6 one.
Yeah, this is the low point, this is the high point. If you want to judge where is the high point and the low point, you can use 5 candlesticks. Only see 5 candlesticks. Okay. So let's see this one. Let's see noble. Good or not? Not good. Okay. So how to confirm is the sell point or not? So this is the high point or not? Yes, because the high price is higher than previous two and the next two. This is the high point. We can consider this the candlestick 1. This is the candlestick 2, right? So this is the candlestick 3 or not? No. Next day, this is the candlestick 3. So what's that meaning? If you see, oh no, cut down. Okay, sorry. So you should cut down. This is the candlestick 1, right? This is the candlestick 2. This is the candlestick 3. We know this is the candlestick 3, then we can draw the line according to the candlestick 3. Okay, so we can draw the line. When to sell? When you know the price will go down. If you see the price fall below, here fall below or not? Yes, what's that meaning? The price continue to go down. Okay, so you should know can buy or not. You cannot buy stocks, okay, because the trend is down, the price will go down, okay. So you can know whether the price will go up or go down, or where is the support and the resistance according to these special numbers, okay. So can you understand this method? Just to see the low price or high price is okay, okay. So this is the method for special numbers, okay. So like golden section with salary chips distribution, all these methods for prediction of time and space and the support and resistance. Okay, so let's see the market. Just now I already taught you how to use Fibonacci time zone to judge where is the turning point. Okay, then we can see the next day. Next chart. 3 important resistance of STI. So we use chips distribution to judge where is the support and where is the resistance point. Okay. If you want to judge the resistance, you can connect the high point till the present price. If you want to judge the support, you should connect the low point to the current price. Okay. So if I want to know where is the resistance, we can connect the high point till the present price. Then we can get the chips distribution. Then we can see where is the next support or resistance. So next one is here, 3180 to 3200. The next resistance and the next resistance. So if you want to know where is the resistance for STI index, you can use this method to judge. Okay, you should remember, if you want to judge the resistance, you'd better connect the high point to the present price. Okay, if you judge the support, you should connect the low point till the current price. Okay, so this is the chips distribution. The next one, this is the KLCI. We also can use this method to judge. Then we can see the stock market story. Last time, just now I taught you how to use. Just now I already taught you how to use chips distribution and special numbers and Fibonacci time zone to judge where is the support and resistance for the market. Okay, so let's read the stock market story. Maybe some members read this story before. Maybe you never read this story. Then we can see the stock market story. A lot of monkeys live near a village. Then one day, a merchant came to the village to buy these monkeys. Then he announced that he will buy the monkeys at 100 each. The village thought that this man is mad. They thought, how can somebody buy stray monkeys at 100 each? Can you understand? Maybe someone came to the village, want to buy some. Then you can see. Then they thought, how can somebody buy these monkeys at 100 each, right? Because maybe monkeys is not so expensive. They thought, still, some people caught some monkeys and gave it to the merchant, and he gave 100 for each monkey. This news spread like wildfire, and people caught monkeys and sold it to the merchant. After a few days, the merchant announced that he will buy monkeys at 200. He will buy monkeys at 200 each. Okay, so can you understand the story? Yes. Then you can see next day, the lazy villagers also ran around to catch the remaining monkeys. They sold the remaining monkeys at 200 each. What's that meaning? Next day, they bought monkeys at $100. The next day, they sold the remaining monkeys at 200 each. Then the merchant announced that he will buy monkeys at 500 each. So will you sell or not? Yes, because you can earn profit, right? You can earn money. The villagers start to lose sleep. They caught 6 or 7 monkeys, which was all that was left, and got 500 each. Then the villagers were waiting anxiously for the next announcement. Then the merchant announced that he's going home for a week, and when he returns, he will buy monkey at 1,000 each. So originally the monkey at $100 each, but some days later the price rise to 1,000 each, right? So he asked his employee to take care of these monkeys he bought. He was alone taking care of all monkeys in a cage. The merchant went home. Then the villagers were very sad, as there were no more monkeys left for them to sell it at 1,000 each. Then the employee told them that he will sell some monkeys at 700 each secretly. This news spread like fire. Since the merchant buys monkeys at 1,000 each, there is a 300 profit for each monkey, right? Then the next day, villagers made a queue near the monkey cage. The employee sold all the monkeys at 700 each. The rich bought monkeys in big lots. The poor borrowed money from money lenders and also bought monkeys. Then we can see the villagers took care of their monkeys and waited for the merchant to return. But you think the merchant will return or not? No, obviously, because he already earned, so he will not return. But nobody came. Then they ran to the employee. The villagers then realized that they have bought the useless stray monkeys at 700 each and unable to sell them. This business is known as the stock market. So you know why the price is up, why the price go up? Because many people buy stocks, right? Then the price will go up. Then we can see maybe the inter value. The inter value is $1. Then the price, many people buy, then the price will rise to $5. So if you buy at this price, you will lose or not? You will lose money, right? So from this story, you should know, it made a lot of people bankrupt and a few people 50-inch rich in this monkey business. This is how the market works, how the stock market works. So you should know why so many people lose money in stocks and why some people earn money. If you understand this story, you can understand, right? Okay, so just share story for everyone. So important, it's not important who you are, but it's not important to whom you follow. If you follow the billionaire to earn 10 million, follow the millionaire to earn million, right? Then if you follow bees to find flowers, follow flies to find the toilet, right? If you follow flowers, you want to find flowers, it's possible or not? It's impossible, right? Because you only follow bees, then you can find flowers. If you follow flies, you only can find toilet, right? Okay, we can see next one. Earn millions with bankers, lose millions with retailers. But if you buy or sell, if your friend tell you this one can buy, then you follow him, then you lose or not? You will lose money because he is also retailers. He is also retailer. So we can see next one. Follow homely to earn double profit. No money earned is followed by others, right? So if you buy the software, you should follow it, okay? So that is right. Whom you follow in stocks. So you should know whom you should follow, okay? Follow the billionaire, you can earn 10 million. Follow the millionaire, you only earn million, okay? Follow the bees to find flowers and follow the flowers to find toilet. So it's important that whom you follow in stocks, okay? So let's see this one. I depends on belief. Or I depends on the ability and the connection. I will ask help from others if no math. The next one, I choose the right team. This one, I obedient and do as they say. Okay, so what's that meaning? You will feel happiness or greedy. There are three common types warnings. The first one, overbought of oscillator. Top warnings of consolidation and rebound. If you want to sell quickly, you can follow these three common types warnings. The second one, top deviation. Top warnings of bull stocks of bull market. Okay. The last one, top warning of special signals. Okay. So if you want, because recently the market is a little high, then if you keep some stocks, you want to know when to sell, then you can follow the three common type warnings to sell your stocks to find some sell point. Okay, so this one. Just now we talked the top deviation. So let's see this one. This candle indicator is KDJ, and this is the market. So we can see here. If you see the KDJ, the J line is down, which means the market will have short-term correction, will retrace for short-term. So here, the J line went down, then the market retrace, okay? Then we can see, if you see the J line go up, then the market will have some rebound, okay? So we can see here, if you see the market continue to go up, the price is higher, the price is up, okay? But we can see the indicator, the high point is higher or lower. The price continue to go up, but we can see the indicators, the high point is lower. So what's that meaning? This is the top deviation. If you see the top deviation, what's that meaning? You should sell for short term. Okay, this is the warning signal. So let's see some examples. Then we can see noble. Okay. So we can see where is the top deviation. Then we can see here. Then we see here. Let's see. Then we see here. The high point is higher, right? But we can see the indicator. High point is not higher. What's that meaning? This is the top deviation. Okay, so if you see the price is in top deviation, you should sell or not. This is the warning signal. You just better sell first. Okay, then we can see next one. So let's see this one. The price is higher and higher, but we can see the candles, the indicator is not higher. What's that meaning? You should sell for short term because this is the top warning signal. Okay, so let's see the next one. Then we can see here the high point is higher, but we can see the indicator, the KDJ, the J line is not higher. What's that meaning? This is the top warnings for short term. Then we can see the price drop. Okay, so we can, but we follow the few. We can see this one. Then we see here the low point. The low point is higher, and we can see this candlestick is still higher. So there's no no deviation. Okay, so let's see the next one. So let's see this price. We can see here. This is the top deviation or not? Yes. So you should know the price start to short-term correction. But you should know, if you follow this indicator to judge the top deviation or bottom deviation, it's only for short-term. Okay? Only for short-term. So this is the method. Then we can see next one. Time black hole. Time black hole can help us to judge where is the turning point and where is the whether the warning signal or not. So we can see the time black hole. Okay, then we see here. This is the time black hole, right? So if you see the time black hole appears, which means this is the turning point, okay, and also can help us to judge the support and the resistance. So we can see next day, if you see the price upward break out the time black hole, you should know the price will go up, okay. So you can see here, the price upward break out the time black hole, you should know the price will continue to go up, okay. So let's see the market. So how to judge the price will go down or go up? Then you can use this method. If you see the time black hole appears, you should pay attention. No, maybe the price will go up, maybe the price will go down, but we don't know yet. But how to confirm that the price will go down or go up? You can see the next day. If you see the price fall below the time black hole, which means the price will go down, okay? So we can see the price continue to go down. Then we can see here, the price upward break out the time black hole. So maybe you should know the price will have some rebound, but fall below again. What's that meaning? You should sell quickly. So here, if you see the time black hole, then you can draw the line. Then if you see the future price fall below the time black hole, you should know the price will continue to go down. Then we can see this one. This is the time black hole appears again. You should pay more attention. But whether can keep or not, you should check the next day. The candlestick fall below time black hole. What's that meaning? The price will go down. Okay, so you can see the price continue to go down again. Okay, so we can see here, this is the time black hole. If you see the price is upward break out the time black hole, which means this is the price, the market will go up, okay. So you can see the price continue to go up. So we can see here, time black hole appears, the price upward break out time black hole, the price will go up, okay. So if you follow this method, you can know the market will go up or go down, okay. So let's see some examples. Let's see some high volume stocks first, then you can know how to judge. Applicable scope of time black hole. The first one, probability of going down is high in the continuous rising period. And the probability of going up is high in the continuous falling period. And higher accuracy in weekly and monthly chart. Okay, so if you want to know whether the price will go up or go down, you can follow the time black hole, okay, because time black hole means the turning point. Okay, so if you see the price is going up in the continuous rising period, then time black hole appears, the price may go down, okay. So we can see the next one, the price is in the continuous falling period, time black hole appears, the possibility of going up is high, okay. So we can see some examples. This is some high volume stocks. The first one is this price, okay. So let's see this candlestick, this stock. Then we can see this one. Time black hole appears, you should know this is the turning point. But whether the price will go up or go down, we should check. Then we can see the price, the 6 candlestick, upward breakout time black hole. You should know the price will go up. Then time black hole appears again. You should pay attention because this is the turning point. Time black hole appears again. Why 2 time black hole appears? Which means the turning point is strong, okay? Then we can see next day. You wait and see. Go up again, you still can wait and see, okay? Then time black hole appears again. You should know this is the turning point. But we can see the candlestick. The price fall below time black hole. What's that meaning? The price will go down, Okay, then we can see continue to go down. Okay, so if you know this method, you can sell quickly. Okay, so we see next day, time black hole appears again. What's that meaning? Today, time black hole appears. This is the turning point. But whether the price will go up or go down, we cannot know. So if you see the price come up for the breakout time black hole, which means the stock will go up again. Okay, you understand? Okay, but if cannot, you should wait and see. So now you can pay attention. Maybe the price up or the breakout, then you can do some short-term rebound. Okay, so let's see the next one. This is the normal, right? So why you should sell quickly? Because the time black hole appears and the price fell below time black hole, you should sell quickly. Okay, then we can see next day why this stock can buy, because upward breakout time black hole, which means the price will continue to go up. Okay, then we can see next one. So we can see here this price, this is the alliance. Okay, then let's see this one. Then we can see here the time black hole appears, which means this is the turning point, right? And if you see next day the price upward breakout time black hole, what's that meaning? You should know this is a good chance to go in again. Okay, so you still can keep. Okay, so we see here the time black hole appears, then we can see next day the price is still above time black hole, right? Not far below, then you still can wait and see. So you should know the price still have chance. Okay, then if you see here, you will not sell so quickly, because you know some days maybe long time ago, Gartner bought the stock here and sell here, so missed a good chance for making profit. Then we can see this one, GSS Energy. So we see the time black hole appears here. You should know this is the turning point. Okay, then you can draw the line according to the turning point. Then we see here, if you see the price fall below this time black hole, what should we do? Sell for short term. Okay, then we can see next one. Two time black hole appears. You should know this is the turning point, and the turning point is strong. Then you see next day the price upward breakout the time black hole, which means this is the chance the price will continue to go up. Okay, so we see here time bridge. Okay, time black hole appears, then we can see the price downward fell below time black hole. What should we do? Sell quickly. Okay, so this time black hole can help us to judge where is the turning point and where is the sell price, sell opportunity and buy opportunity. Okay, then we continue to see the cards. So we see here the time black hole appears at the top, and we can see the price fell below time black hole. We should know this is the sell opportunity. Okay, sell opportunity. So we can see next one. Black hole appears around this area. What should we do? We should focus on the candlestick. If you see the candlesticks upward breakout time black hole, you should know this is the buy opportunity. Okay, so you can see the price continue to go up. Then we can see next chart. Time black hole appears during the rising period. Okay, so we can see the price is in the uptrend. Then time black hole appears. What should we do? We should pay attention, because this is the turning point. But whether can sell or not, whether this is the sell opportunity or buy opportunity, we should check the candlestick. If you see the candlestick upward break out the time black hole, what's that meaning? You should know the price will continue to go up. Okay. Then see next one. Time black hole during the falling period. Okay. So you can see the price is in the downtrend. This is the downtrend, right? Because the lower low and the lower high. Then we can see time black hole appears. We should pay attention. Okay, you should pay attention. But whether sell or not, you should check the candlestick. If you see the candlestick fall below time black hole, you should know the price will go down. Then you should sell first. Okay, so can you understand this method? It's very important. Okay, so let's see next one. Market may adjust once yellow candlestick appear, and the market may rebound once the blue candlestick appear. Okay, then we can see this is the Homely-Taiji signal. Today I will teach you how to combine Homely-Taiji signal with the time black hole. Okay, so let's see the Homely-Taiji. Taiji signal, if you see the yellow candlestick appears, which means the price will, this is the overbought area. You should pay attention to the sell point. And if the blue signal appears, this is the turning point. This is the oversold. So it's the rebound. Okay. So let's see the next one. Warning signal by time black hole and the yellow candlestick. If you see the yellow Taiji signal and the top time black hole, so you can see maybe the Taiji signal appears. The next within 3 days, time black hole appears again. You should know this is the sell point. Okay, you should sell quickly because this is the warning signal. Okay, so what's that meaning? Okay, then we can see the market. This is the market. So we see here. Firstly, we see this one. The yellow candlestick appears, right? Yellow candlestick appears. Then we can see next within 3 days, time black hole appears again. This is the warning signal. So you should sell quickly. Okay. Then we can see next one. We can see some stocks. The yellow candlestick appears, right? What's that meaning? You should pay attention to the risk for short term. The next day, time black hole appears. What's that meaning? You should sell quickly because this is the warning signal. You sell first. Okay? Then we see next one. So we see here. We can see this candle, this is the Homely-Taiji yellow candlestick. But sell or not, you wait and see. Okay. Then we can see next day here. The yellow candlestick appears again. You wait and see. Within 3 days, 1, 2, 3. Within 3 days, time black hole appears. What's that meaning? Sell quickly. Okay. You should sell quickly. If you don't sell, you will lose some money. Then we see here. Let's see this candlestick. The yellow candlestick appears. Within 3 days, time black hole appears again. You should know next day you should sell first. Then you can avoid some short-term risk. Okay. Then we see next one. Okay, so let's see this one. This is the yellow candlestick of homogenizing signal appears. Then you should pay attention to the risk. Within 3 days, then we can see 1, 2, 3. Time black hole appears. What should we do? This is the warning signal. You should sell quickly. Okay? If you don't sell, you will lose much money. Okay? Then we see next one. Time black hole appears, right? And we can see yellow signal appears. And within 3 days, time black hole appears. What should we do? Sell first. Okay? You should sell first. When to buy again? If you see the candlestick upward breakout, time black hole, you can buy again. Okay? Then we can see next one. Then we see here, the yellow candlestick appears. This is the turning point. We should pay attention to the risk. Then within 3 days, time black hole appears. This is the warning signal, right? But whether we sell first, then next day upward breakout again, what should we do? We should buy again. Okay? Then we can see here. Yellow candlestick appears within 3 days. Time black hole appears again. Then you can pay attention to the warning signal. Okay? So maybe you can sell first. Then if you see the price upward break out the time black hole again, you can buy again. So here, upward break out time black hole again, you can buy again. Okay? So here you still can go in. So if you miss the good buy point, you can catch another buy point according to the chart. Then we can see next one. Then the yellow candlestick appears, right? We should pay attention. But whether sell or not, you can see within 3 days, time black hole appears, sell or not. Sell first. This is the warning signal. You should sell first. Then we see next one. Here we sell or not. Firstly, let's see the yellow candlestick appears and the time black hole appears. Here we sell or not. Sell or not. You should check whether the time black hole appears within 3 days or not. Within 3 days or not. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Within 6 days. So no need to sell. Just keep it. Okay. So we see here. Yellow candlestick appears. Then time black hole appears. Here we sell or not? No, because not within 3 days. So we still can wait and see. Okay. So we see here. Yellow candlestick appears. Then time black hole appears again. Sell or not? No, not within 3 days, right? So you still can keep it. Okay. So this is the method for warning signal, and I hope you can understand. So we see here, double warning signal. If you see the time black hole and the yellow candlestick appears at the same time, this is the double warning signal. You should sell quickly. Okay. So we see here, double warning signal. Time black hole and yellow candlestick appears at the same time. This is the double warning signal. You should sell quickly. Okay. So we see here, sell signal if the price fall below the low price of black hole. Okay. If you see the price fall below the black hole, the low price of black hole, you should sell quickly. Then sell signal if the price fall below the low price of black hole. So we can see here, the price fall below the low price of black hole, you should sell quickly. Okay, so let's see some examples. Whether can sell or not. Time black hole and the yellow signal appears at the same time. This is the double warning signal. We should sell first. Okay, then we see here. Then we see some examples. Where is the sell signal? If you see the price fall below the low price of time black hole, you should sell first. Okay, then upward breakout again, you can buy again. Okay, so let's see Yang Zijiang. Time black hole and the yellow candlestick appears at the same time. This is the double warning signal. What should we do? Sell, quickly sell. Okay, so you can, here you should sell first because this is the warning signal. So this is the method. Then how to find? Recently there have some stocks, time black hole appears and the yellow candlestick appears. You can click filter. Then click homely signal group, not this one, time black hole. If you, maybe this one don't have the time black hole, but if you click at home, you click homely signal group, then time black hole is here. Then you can click this one because this is not the newest version of homely software. Okay, so this is this one. Then how to catch the buy point? This is the sell point. Just now I taught you the sell point. So how to catch the buy point? If you see the blue candlestick appears within 3 days, time black hole appears. This is the buy point. Okay? Or if you see the price upward breakout, the high price of time black hole, you can buy again. Okay? So what is the double buy signal? Okay? So if you see the time black hole and the blue candlestick appears at the same time, this is the double confirm buy point. Okay, so this is the method. Then we can see this one. No, we can see here. The blue candlestick appears. Maybe this is the oversold area. Okay, then we can see next day time black hole appears. Buy or not? Buy or not? Wait and see. Then you can see the price fall below time black hole. You should sell quickly. Okay. Then we see here. The blue candlestick appears and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. Within 7 days, time black hole appears. You cannot buy. You should check the candlestick. If you see the candlestick fall below, you should sell quickly. Okay. So can you understand this method? Because I saw so many members are sleepy. Okay. Then we see next one. Sell signal if the price fall below the low price of black hole, you should sell quickly. So where is the sell point? Here is the sell point. Okay. Then we can see here is another sell point. Here is the sell point. So if you see the price fall below the low price of black hole, you should sell quickly. Okay. So here is the sell point. Here is the sell point. Here is another sell point. Okay. Then if you see the price fall below the low price of black hole, you should sell quickly. So where is the sell point? Here is the sell point. Let me see next one. Where is the sell point? If you see the price fall below the low price of black hole, you should sell quickly. So here, you better sell. If you don't sell, you will lose much money. Okay, so let's see this one. Let's see some examples. So you should know when to sell, when to buy. So here, can we sell or not? Sell, because we can see the price fall below the time black hole, the low price of time black hole. We should sell quickly. Okay. Then we can see next one. Where is the buy point and the sell point? So we can see the candles, the time black hole appears. This is the turning point. Then next day, the price upward breakout the high price of the time black hole. So here, what should we do? We should buy this stock because this is the buy opportunity. Okay, so we can see next day, time black hole appears. If you see the price fall below, what should we do? Sell first. Okay, so you can buy, catches the buy and the sell opportunity according to this method. Then let's see the next one. Banker operation. You should know what is the bank, how the banker operates stocks. Okay, so just now we learned this method. So now we learn this one. This is the accumulation. So if you see the price drop, then the start to sideways. The sideways area is the accumulation area. Okay. Then we can see the price go up. This is the testing. Okay. For testing, then adjusting again. Adjusting again. But you should know, if you see the low price is still higher than this price, you should confirm this is only the adjusting. The market still has chance. The price will continue to go up. But if you see the low price fall below, lower than this one, you should know here cannot buy. But if not lower, here is the good buy point. Okay. So this is the testing, adjusting, then pulling. Then the price can start to go up. Okay. Then correction again. If you see the price, the low point is higher than this high point. So this is the correction. Then the next one, long off. Then distribution, rebound, and the distribution again. Okay. So this is the banker operation. So if you want to know the bank operation, what's that meaning? So we see here. If you see the price go down, then sideways, this is the accumulation area. Okay. Then the price go up. Go up. This is the testing. Then go down. The price, if you see the low point is still higher than this one, not below this one, you should know this is the testing. Okay. This is the adjusting. The market still have chance. Okay. Then we can see the price go up. So this is the wave 1, the wave 2, the wave 3, okay? Then wave 4, then wave 5, okay? So this is the wave 5. Then you should know wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5, okay? So can you understand? So where is the good buy point? If you know this is the banker operation, where is the good buy point? So this is the wave 1, right? We cannot catch this buy point because this rising period is difficult to catch. So which point is the good buy point? This point, okay? As long as this low point is not lower than this one, so you can buy, you can confirm. This is the adjusting. The price will continue to go up again. Okay, so this is the wave theory. Then we can see some stocks. So let's see some stocks first. The price sideways right. The price from drop to sideways, okay, then go up. We can consider this is the wave 1, okay, this is the wave 1. Then we see then the price go down. You should know this is the adjusting or run off. You should check the low point, okay. So we can see here the low point is lower or not? Lower or not? Not yet, right? The low point is still above this low point or similar. So not lower, buy or not? Buy, because this is the good buy point. Then this is the wave 3, okay? Then you wait and see. So we can see here how to know that this stock is good or not. Then we see here and how to judge it. So we can use multicolor dragon. Make tracking fonts very simple. The green column represents the lost fund. Then the green line is the trend line of lost fund. Then the yellow line is the flowing fund. Okay, so the yellow line, the pink line is the trend line of flowing fund. Then the red color is for the profit fund, and the purple line is the trend line of profit fund. Okay, so this is the composition of multicolor dragon. Okay, detail of multicolor dragon. If you see the green color means retailer, the green color more than 50 means the frozen. If you see the stock is frozen, you buy or not? You cannot buy. Okay, wait and see. Then retailer, green color less than 50, and floating chips means the yellow column more than 50. This stock from frozen to active. Okay, if you see the stock from frozen to active, you can pay attention. Then the next one, banker more than 25, open position. Then banker is red column more than 50, finish building position. Banker more than 75, acceleration. Okay. Then banker less than 75, profit taking. Then banker less than 50, finish taking profit. Retailer more than green color more than 50, frozen again. Okay, so we can see this one. Hot money more than 50%. The market began to unfreeze to be active, but only can get small profit. So we can see here the green column more than 50. You should know this area, the stock is frozen. We can buy or not? We cannot buy. Better to wait and see. Okay. So if you see the green color below 50, so during this area below 50, what's that meaning? The stock start to active, but if you operate, you only can make small profit. Okay. Then we can see next one. If you see this one, the FCL means the pink line. The pink line cross the green line. So like here, pink line upward cross the green line. So this is the bottom area. Okay. So we can see here, the market profit in fact increase after the banker appears. If you see during this period, the green column more than 50. This is the frozen area. You buy or not? There's no buy opportunity. Then we can see here, the green column below 50, yellow column start to above 50. So here, the market may have chance, but you should know, start to active, but buy or not, you'd better wait and see, okay? If you want to buy, you only can make small profit. Then if you see the red column appears, you should know you can make profit effectively, okay? So let's see this one. Price go up steadily when big money continue to increase, okay? So we can see here, during this period, the green column is above 50, buy or not? No, we better wait and see. And start to here, the green column below 50, which means the stock start to active, okay, begin to active. Then we can see the red column is increase. You should know the price will go up steadily, okay. So we see next one. The profit chips cross. This one is purple line, upward cross, green line means the confirmation of the banker's building position. Okay. So just now I already told you this is the bottom area. Okay. But where is the confirmation? So here is the confirmation. Okay. This is the confirmation. So the finished building position when banker increase more than 50%. If you see the bank money, the red column is above 50, which means the banker finished building position. Okay. So we see here, the market have no profit effect. You can see the green column is above 50, so there's no profit effect. If you buy here, you will lose money. If you buy here, you also lose money. So after the retailer increase nearly 100%, buy or not? No. This is the frozen area. So let's see some examples. So we see this one. Let's see this stock. So we see this period. The green column is above 50, right? What's that meaning? This is the frozen area, okay? Then banker money increase again. What's that meaning? The stock start to active. Then we can see the red column is above 50. The banker finish open position. Then we can see this stock is so strong. So if you buy here, you can earn money or not? You can earn great profit. Okay. So let's see this one. So let's see this stock. So during this period, buy or not? Can buy or not? Cannot, because the green column is above 50. You should wait and see because this is the frozen. Then you will wait and see. So we can see the bank money above 50. Profit, make some profit. Okay. So we can see the bank money above 75. Then if you see the bank money from less than 75, the profit taking. So where is the profit taking? So here, the profit taking, you should sell quickly. Then less than 50, you should know not good. Okay, but we see during this area. This area can buy or not? No, because the green column is more than 50. This is the frozen. The stock is frozen. It's not active. Can buy or not? Cannot buy. Okay. Then we see the banker going again, but we can see the green column is still above 50. So you should know this stock is still frozen, not active. Okay. So let's see another one. So this one we can see here. So from this period, can we buy or not? Can buy or not? No, because frozen, right? Then green column below 50, above 50 again, cannot buy, okay? Still frozen, okay? Then 1, 2 start to buy. So we can see around this period, the green column near 100% with better wait and see, okay? So 1, 2 buy, we can wait and see. So we can see the green column less than 50. What's that meaning? Less than 50 means the stock is active now, okay? From frozen to active, you can pay attention. Then we wait and see. The bank money increased, right? What's that meaning? Buy or not? Good chance, okay? Then you see the red column is above 50. What's that meaning? You still can hold because the banker control the stocks, okay? So you don't need to sell. Then let's see the next one. So we see here, at this one can buy or not at this period, at this moment, can buy or not? No, because the green column more than 50, we cannot buy. We wait and see. 1, 2 buy, still cannot. But we can see the green column less than 50, bank money, the red column start to increase. You should know this is the good chance for making profit, okay? Then you can see go up again, okay? So here, if you keep these stocks, will you sell here or not? Sell or not? No, because the profit chips, the red column is above 50. You still can keep, no need to sell, okay? So if you sell, you will lose some good chance, okay? So this is the method. Then let's see this stock. Why this stock is so strong? Today is so strong. You should check the pattern. If you see some stocks from downtrend to sideways or to the uptrend, you should know this is the strong stocks in the future, okay? So if you see the downtrend continue, you cannot buy, okay? Even if you have some rebound, you cannot buy, okay? So when to buy? From frozen to active. So here is the good chance to buy, okay? So we see this one. If you see this period, this is downtrend or uptrend? Downtrend, right? Okay? If you see the price is in the market, the stock is in the downtrend, and the green column is more than 50, buy or not? No, cannot buy. Maybe here, buy or not? Still need to wait and see, cannot buy. When to buy? So we see here, the low point is lower again, okay? Then we can see the stock from downtrend to the uptrend, right? From downtrend to uptrend. Then we can see here, the green column below 50, bank money increase. What's that meaning? Good chance, right? Okay, so this is the good chance. So if you see stocks from downtrend to uptrend or to sideways, this is the good chance to buy, okay? This is the future strong stocks. So you should know how to find it, okay? How to judge. So we can see here, why this stock is recent so strong? Why I'm not here? Because this is the volume. If you see there's no volume, but suddenly the volume increase, what's that meaning? Active stock, okay? So you should know how to judge the chart pattern and how to use the multicolor dragon and these some functions to judge the buy point and sell point and support and resistance, okay? So the three magic weapons of success. The weapon, willing to change, to try something new. Because maybe some investors don't want to try something new. This is not good. You should try something new, okay? The weapon 1. The weapon 2, do not worry about failure, okay? If you lose money, no need to worry, okay? Everybody will lose money. Even you are the stock winner, you also will lose money, okay? If you are stock guru, you will lose money, okay? So don't worry if you lose money. You should learn first, okay? So if you lose money, you should find the reasons, okay? You find the reasons, then you can improve yourself, okay? So maybe you can learn some practical methods, or you change your mind, okay? So you find some good trading strategy. This is very important. So this is the weapon 2. Do not worry about failure. The weapon 3, stick to weapon 1 and 2, okay? So if you stick to try something new and do not worry about failure, then you can earn great profit, okay? So why we should know we should keep some good mindset. If you only learn the trading strategy, but your mindset is bad, you will learn money or not? Cannot. So the method and the mindset are all necessary, okay, for making profit in stocks. So you should remember the weapon 1 and weapon 2 and weapon 3. Weapon 1, try something new. Weapon 2, do not worry. Even if you lose some money, no need to worry, okay? Then stick to weapon 1 and weapon 2, okay? I heard some stock guru said maybe the weapon 1 is do not lose money. The weapon 2, do not lose money. The weapon 3, stick to 1 and 2, do not lose money, okay? But if you keep some good mindset, maybe you can take this note, you can put this note in your computer. So every day if you want to trade some stocks, maybe the share is in the downtrend, then if you trade these stocks, before you trade, you can see the note, okay? Then you will keep yourself safe, okay? Keep your money safe. So this is the 3 magic weapons of success. So this is today's course, and let's review it, okay? Let's review today's seminar. Today we talk about the check trend and funds to make money, and we learned some method for judging the support and resistance. So this is the 3 strategy of sell stocks. Predict in advance, find the early warning, and sell once trend is down, okay? And common methods for prediction of time and space. So the first one is favorite time zones, only highlight line and special numbers. So today I already taught you how to use favorite time zone to find the turning point. Then I already told you how to use number 3 to judge the support, to judge the buy opportunity or sell opportunity. Then golden section, wave theory, chips distribution. There are so many methods for prediction.
Where to find Alex line?
Like Alex line.
Yeah, where to find?
So you can click this one. T, then Homely Alex line. Okay. So this is one. Then we can see next one. Then later we learned about stock market story, and I hope you can remember this story because this is the because this one is chewing stocks. You should know this one. If you understand this story, you will understand why the stock go up, why the price go down. Okay, this is the stock story. Then it's not important who you are, but it's important to whom you follow. Okay, so you should remember what should we follow, whom should we follow. Okay, then we learned 3 common types warnings. So like overbought oscillator and the top deviation and the top warning of special signal. Okay. Then today we learned how to use time black hole to judge the buy and sell opportunity. The probability of going down is high in the continuous rising period, and the probability of going up is high in the continuous falling period, and higher accuracy in weekly and monthly chart. Okay, so how to judge? If you see the market double warning signal or double buying signal, you can concede. Okay, so if you see the price fall below the low price of black hole, you should sell first. This is the sell signal. Okay, then that we learned the bank operation and how to. You should remember the detail of multicolor dragon, and you should know whether your stocks is in frozen or active or profit taking or acceleration. Okay, so this one is important. You should know the details of multicolor dragon. Okay, so the last one we learned the 3 magic weapons of success. First one, try something new. The second one, do not worry about failure. The third one, stick to 1 and 2. Okay. So this is the today's course, and I hope you all can learn some good method from today's course, because something wrong with the learners. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, wait.